Hi, and welcome back to this episode of So Blessed by Jess. And today we're going to continue working on this quilt. We are 2 blocks away, 2 big blocks away to finishing this quilt and then putting sashing on it, some triangles. You guys, it looks beautiful. Like, I am super excited about what this quilt looks like. If you don't remember what it looks like, here's a picture. And it's just amazing. I don't know if those are the blocks exactly where they're going to be. I got to like feel it out a little bit more, but I am in love with it. Of course, it's after my own heart. It's like all of the colors. Well, today we're going to dive into this block. I don't have this block yet. Not in this quilt. And it's going to be on point. So it's going to look like that. It's even better. It's called the Combination Star. It's so pretty. It is. So let me go ahead, scan you down so you can see what's going on. I have already cut the fabrics. We got like a red, white, and blue kind of motif going on. And yeah, let's put this baby together. All right, so like I said, we're like red, white, and blue phase here. So reds, whites, and blues. Okay, so I know that the smaller blocks, smaller triangles are going to go around the blue. Okay, and then the bigger triangles are going to make our hourglass blocks. So these are the 2 blocks that I need to make. And so I'm not going to lay out the whole block, but I need to make 5 of these and 4 of these. All right. So to make this block right here, it's like an economy block. We're going to line it up. So it's like the same width on both sides. Now there's another way of doing it if you really want to be more precise. You can fold the triangle in half. Make like a little groove. Fold your square in half. And then you're just going to line up the little divots. So your 1/4 inch. And do that all the way around. You want to do your opposite sides first. Trim the dog ears. And then put the other opposite sides on. Okay. And here is the finished block. Let's see. I gotta measure it off screen. Perfect. Exactly what it should be. Oh, I just need a flat surface, but yes. All right, a little bit of trimming right there, but yes, perfect. And then we're gonna take this piece. I'm going to make sure that the cream is always facing up. The red is on the bottom. We're going to feed it through the machine. When we do that, we will get this 1/4 triangle, this half triangle. All right, we're going to press to the dark side. We're then going to take 2 of those. Nest the seams. So can you see it? There you go. Nest those seams together right there. Open it up. Just pressing. Okay. We're going to cut some dog ears off. oops, finagling it around here. All right, we're gonna make 4 of these, let's see. And those are perfect also. All right, so we're gonna make 4 of these, and we're gonna make sure they're facing this direction. We're gonna make 5 of these, and then we have a glorious 9 patch that we'll put together. Oh, that was hard to see, oh my word. Sorry, y'all. Here we go. So 4 of these, 5 of these. It's gonna create a 9 patch. All right, so when I'm ready to put the 9 patch together, I'll be back. All right, let's put these where they need to be. All right. All right, there she is. So we're gonna sew this column together, add this column, and then sew the rows. All right, I'll show you a little bit of sewing action. I don't have anything to really worry about except for these little points right here. Make sure I stay to the right. And it sounds like I am. You know, when you go over quite a bit of fabric, it'll let you know. Okay, we're gonna pull it back. We're gonna open it up. I'm gonna add that next one on. This way. And I'm just finger pressing. I'll press it all out later. Nope, this is right. I had to double check that one, but it's cream to the edge, to the edges. Line it up, and the way that we finger pressed these intersections will nest. Okay, I'm gonna just start the seam, then I'll set that piece. And I lost my thread. All right, pause. So usually when I start losing my thread and it starts coming undone, I need to change my needle out. So I'll be changing my needle after this project. I'm just sewing to the next intersection, nesting those seams. Okay. And lining up the bottom. All right, one more to go. Flip it around. Line up the top. Start a few stitches. Right, nest those seams. No, it's going this way. Yep, that one's going that way. Just make sure my seams are doing what they need to be doing. Looking great. Oh, that's pretty. A little rough press here. Nothing too dramatic yet. Just so we can talk about it. You guys, look how pretty that came out. And another one done. So it's going to look like this inside the quilt. It's not going to be on point. Oh no, SpaghettiOs. That one's wrong. I'll fix it. No worries. Good catch. Good that you caught that. Anywho, I'm going to fix it. It's going to look beautiful. So we're just going to hold that side. No, it's going to look beautiful. It's going to look beautiful. We're going to fix this little block right here. Cream to the sides, to the outside of the block. Oh, I love it. So this, again, this is called Constellation Combination Star. And yeah, it's amazing. Actually, yeah. Yep, I need to change that one block. So thanks so much for following along. Thank you for hanging out. It's been a blast. One more block and then we'll start putting the sashing together. And this quilt is in the books. Hopefully I'll get it on the long arm too. I got some backing that's ready for it too. Amazing. I love it. All right, until our next video short. Bye.